Hi, this is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, and this video was made yesterday at 8 a.m. This is the morning routine. If you ever ask yourself what's going on in the morning, how cleaning companies work, I really don't know how they work. I'm just showing you how we work. And this is our daily routine. At least once a week, I ask one of the guys to wash the cars because that's really important to have a clean vans. Another routine is that the girls need to pick it up from the car any dirty cloth that was used before. And I have like a rack that you can put like a container where you can sort the dirty cloth in white and color, and I like to wash in separate things, all the colors together and all the whites together. So another thing that they do in the morning is picking up all the clean cloth that was washing previously. I like to use OxyClean, Clorox, and Ace detergent, that is Ace in Spanish. I don't know if I already mentioned that this video was made in Spanish and I'm trying to do my best to translate it. Sorry for the language that is some kind of broken English, but I'm really trying to do my best. They spend a little bit between 15 to 30 minutes in the morning to set up everything. They already picked up the clean cloth that was in that washer. And I like to mention that I don't wash the cleaning cloth in the same washer of my regular clothes because my office is next to my house, right? So when the clean cloths are washed in a separate machine, as you see previously, they put the clean cloth inside my dryer. I only have one dryer, and they put the clean cloth inside the dryer. Also, they pick up all the dry cloth together with the mop, that's the flat mop, and what I like is to have all the cloth folding the right way. Right now I'm showing a clear trash can bag. Carlos is going to remove the trash. That's a hose that is on the garden that sometimes they use to rinse the buckets or even the garbage container. So right now Carlos is taking out the garbage from the outside, and there is some garbage inside the garage. Right now I'm showing you inside my garage. Sorry for the mess. It's a little bit of the disorganized, but right now I'm showing you the machines, the dispenser that we use. We use Ecolab cleaning products. These are really well known brand that most of the high-class hotels use, and I like it because they are eco-friendly cleaning products. And at the same time, I just need to buy the concentrated cleaning products and the machine will dispense properly for me, so the girls doesn't have to touch the concentrated products. So one van is almost done cleaning, and after that they have to wash the other van. In the meantime, Kiara is checking all the cleaning supplies, check the vacuum, the cord, the filters. They have to replace the filters, put a new filters. The other guy is he's gonna take out that garbage of the garage, and showing you that Fatima right now is folding the clean cloth, the microfiber cloth. I like to be fold. Most of the cleaning companies, they don't do that. Of course, that is not necessary to fold the cloth. because they're gonna be washed or get dirty. But that's my way to keep everything organized. I don't really rush them, but they have to take at least 15 to 20 minutes to prepare everything and get set. If everything is set and we don't use so much cloth or cleaning products, they just spend 10 to 15 minutes to be ready in the morning and to fill out everything. Kiara right now is filling out the bottles into the machine. That's the window cleaning from Ecolab. And also I told her to check the sprayer, because the sprayer, the trigger, sometimes doesn't work. So they have to check every time that they refill the trigger to see. So now Fatima is folding the cleaning cloth, and I like that because she's gonna put it inside my backpack. If you don't have the clean cloth folded, it will take more space and it will see disorganized. So she's putting a lot of microfiber cloths inside my book bag, and the flat maps also. I have all the tools. This disorganized. I have plenty of tools for any occasion: deep cleaning, heavy duty, post remodeling cleaning, everything. So this guy already finished washing the big van, the big truck, and he's gonna start doing the other car, the little van. As I said, I'm sorry for the English. You know that Spanish is my first language, and I'm trying my best to try to communicate. But I really think that the video show itself our daily routines. It's really important to keep the van clean, and I put some bay leaf under the seats to protect the van from any odor and to keep it clean. So 2 days ago we washed the van inside. I couldn't record that, and he's washing the outside windows and all the van. So this is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, and this is our routine in the morning. So even if you just thinking what's going on, why they came like 10 minutes later, is because they have to fold, they have to do many things before they go to your house. But I can assure you that we do an excellent job. You can hire us and call us 407-572-4118. We are pet friendly. And check out our website, anyhousecleaning.com. Thank you for watching. Bye.